All right. Hi, everyone. This is Mrs. Morgan, and I am just going to be doing a little screencast of my syllabus just so I can kind of walk you through it and say hello. So I teach 7th grade science. In 7th grade, we talk about earth and space science, so our science is big. Right now, going into virtual learning and learning online, things are a little bit different, but we are going to still cover the same information. And so you can see the little pie chart shows that we're going to be talking about scientific inquiry, which is, you'll hear a lot of claim evidence reasoning this year. That is something we do tend to use quite a bit. And then measurement, safety, asking questions, and just a lot of critical thinking. We are also going to study geology. That's our first big unit. So rocks and minerals, plate tectonics, history of Earth, things of that nature. And then we go into astronomy. Typically, that's kind of our third quarter stuff is astronomy. We talk about the moon and the sun and tides, solar path, those types of things. And then our last unit is weather and climate, and we talk about like weather fronts and the impact that humans can have on the climate and things like that. A few things down here at the bottom, we talk about class rules, just to be ready to think more than anything for my online students is kind of having some self-motivation as well, since it is a virtual world that you will be learning in, that you need to make sure that you are checking assignments and emailing questions if you have those questions to me. You definitely need your Chromebook charged every day, so it'd be good for you to have like a station or an area to charge that and set things up. You're going to need a science notebook. I will be having you do some stuff digitally, but I also feel like writing things and putting models and drawings in your notebook is important too, so we will do that. As well as like a calculator, ruler, pens and pencils, colored pencils, those kinds of things. Here's the daily schedule, and I know with virtual, you won't meet necessarily at your class time, so I'll be embedding videos and things like that, and you can email me. My planned time is second hour, so 9:15 and 9:55. And then, as you're working, you should not be on your phone, not trying to multitask. That's kind of a common sense thing. Assignments, we will post those by 8:30 every morning. Make sure that you are going into Schoology. I'm going to try and make sure things are very clear and concise, but if you're not understanding, make sure you ask questions, email me questions. And then I will have due dates listed in there, and those will be in Schoology as well. I will try to answer as soon as I can, but the sooner you email me, the more likely I can get that answered during the school day. As far as late work goes, we want to encourage you to not have late work, but you have about 1 week from the due date that we would still accept it to earn credit. If it's not in by then you wouldn't be getting credit unless there was some other circumstances that you would need to let me know. We won't have a lot of class meetings, so that's if I ask you to do a class meeting, then that's we can handle those things and appropriate online behavior. Grades, you're going to be graded on daily work. Your notebook, occasionally I'll have you submit some pictures off your notebook. We'll have some virtual labs using gizmos. We'll have some discussion boards and some projects and assessments on the way. So lots of different methods to earn some good grades. And then I just have some resource links up here at the top for gizmos. We're going to be using Moza Mac this year. It's new to us, but it's a great resource. I included an Edpuzzle link. We will be using Edpuzzle. It's a good one also. The astronomy pick of the day, and there'll be more. I'm planning on using Remind. If you click that link, it'll take you to sign up for my Remind class. And then I just put a few other links down here that are important as you go through the virtual world, and try to put some of those in the same place. So I hope that makes sense, and if you have questions, let me know. I look forward to teaching you this semester.